Welcome viewers. In this video we will see the description of wiring. Subscribe this channel for more electrical videos related to wiring and other topics, and the course material for this topic available in the drive. The link is available in the description box. Now we'll see the first type, series circuit. The series circuit means consider the resistor. Three resistors are connected end to end. One end of the resistor is connected to another resistor. So we have three resistors, R1, R2 and R3. So the same current is flowing through all three resistors. The current will be same. Only one current is flowing through the circuit. Then only it is termed as a series circuit. This is applied voltage V. Based on the resistor value, voltage will be dropped across the resistor. V1, V2, V3. Based on the R1 value, V1 value will be decided. So the total voltage V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. The voltage will be divided. The current will be same. So in the series, the resistors are connected end to end so that they form only one path for the flow of current. Then it is said to be a series connected and the circuit is series circuit. The voltage will be divided, current will be same, only one current is flowing. Now we'll go to the parallel circuit. What will happen in the parallel circuit? So when a number of resistors connected in such a way that one end of these resistors connected to common point and other end of this resistor are connected to another common point, then it is known as connected in parallel. Such a circuit is called parallel circuit. Now we'll see the diagram. See, one end of all resistors are connected to one common point. The other end of all resistors are connected to another common point. Then it is given to the supply. So then the supply is given, the current is flowing. So at this point, at one of the common point, the current is divided. I1, I2, I3 based on the R value. Again at this point the current will be combined, the total current will return to the supply. So the parallel circuit means the current will be divided. The voltage will be same. The voltage across the three resistors is equal to V. The same V is available across R3, R2 and R1. But the current will divide. So in the series circuit, current will be same, voltage is divided. In parallel circuit, voltage will be equal, current is divided. So based on that, we can able to understand whether it is a series connected or parallel connected. Now we'll go to the next type of connection. The third, we'll see the electrical connection of a lamp. How to connect a lamp. The most of single phase equipment has two terminals. It can be, if we connect phase and neutral on this terminal, the equipment will function. So we have two terminals available. We can connect with phase and neutral so that the equipment will function. For example, if we take the lamp, there are two terminals available. One terminal is connected to the phase, another terminal is connected to the neutral. When supply is given, this lamp will glow. So for any single phase equipment, we have two terminal. One is phase, another one is neutral. When the supply is given, it will glow. Now we'll go to the next type of connection. The same connection, the previous, the switch with, in which the switch is provided in a lamp. Because in the previous connection, when the supply is given, the lamp is glowing always. Suppose if we want to control the lamp, we can connect through the switches. Connect through the switch. So the lamp is available, two terminals are available. One terminal is connected to the neutral. Another terminal is connected through the switch. This is a disconnect. It will connect or disconnect. Switch is the equipment to connect or disconnect. So now it is in the disconnected condition. So supply is not given to the lamp. If it is closed, the switch is closed, the phase is given to the lamp, so it will start glow. If the switch is open, the phase is disconnected. So we can control the glow of this lamp using this switch. The switch is closed, supply is given, the lamp will glow. If the switch is open, supply is disconnected, lamp will not glow. Now we will go to the next type of connection. So in this connection, the two lamps are independently controlled by a separate switches. The previous diagram we have one lamp and one switch. Now we have two lamps are available, controlled by two different switches, and also having one plug point, plug socket, right? So we have two lamp controlled independently by separate switches, and here, and we have one more plug point is available. Now we will see what is the connection, how to connect this. So this is the lamp 1, so lamp 2. So the lamp 1 is controlled by this switch S1. This lamp 2 is controlled by this switch S2. Here we have one plug point is available, socket is available, right? So that three equipments, lamp 1, lamp 2 and one plug point. The lamp 1 controlled by this switch, lamp 2 controlled by this switch. Then how to connect? The phase is connected through the switches. The neutral is connected directly, right? Always neutral is connected through directly, on the phase will be controlled. See, first we will see the neutral connection. See, this neutral is connected to one end. Again tapping is taken from that end. This symbol indicates there is no connection. This neutral is given to second lamp. Again tapping is taken from that. There is no connection. Then it is given to the neutral of the socket, right? So this neutral is connected to lamp 1. Again one wire is run. That wire is connected to lamp 2. Again one more wire is run. That connect to neutral of the socket. Now neutral connection is over. Now we will go to the phase. This is NL, means neutral line. NL, neutral line. The phase is connected through the fuse. If any excess current is there, this fuse will glow and will protect this lamp 1 and lamp 2 as well as the socket. The entire circuit is protected by this fuse. So the neutral is connected directly. The phase is connected through the fuse. Now this fuse is connected through the switch. It is not connected directly to the lamp. Neutral is connected directly. The phase is connected through the switch. See, this switch is available. When the switch is closed, this phase is connected to the lamp 1, right? So this is disconnected. This end phase supply is available. If the switch is closed, the phase is given to the lamp 1 so that it will glow. The switch is open, the supply is not given to the lamp, it will not glow. So from this, the tapping is taken, one more wire is run in order to go to the next lamp. So it is not connected, given to the second switch. If the second switch is closed, lamp 2 will glow. If the second switch is open, lamp will not glow. Again, from one more tapping is taken from this switch S2 in order to go to the socket plug point. So that is given to the phase. So this is the phase, this is neutral. So here the switch is available. So if the switch is closed, then phase and neutral is connected, we can take. And this is the earthing point. Earthing point is run over the entire circuit, right? So neutral is connected directly to the all lamp 1, lamp 2 as well as plug point. Phase is connected through the fuse and through the switches. Switches S1, if it is closed, then only the phase will apply to lamp 1. Then one tapping is taken, given to S2. Another tapping is taken, given to the plug point, right? So the lamp 1 is controlled by S1, lamp 2 is controlled by the switch S2, and plug point also controlled. The earthing wire is also available. So in this, we can able to control two lamps separately as well as one plug point is available. Important thing, neutral connected directly. Phase is connected through fuse and switches. So that we are able to control the lamp independently. So the N refers neutral line, P refers phase line, NL mean also neutral line, S1, S2 is nothing but the switches to control the lamp 1 and lamp 2. So in this video we discussed about the description of the wiring, series circuit, parallel circuit, how to control a lamp, how to control 2 lamp and 1 plug point. Subscribe this channel for more electrical videos related to the wiring as well as other topics. Thank you.